erbyn hanner if you're joining us in the afternoon. This is Rubbish Crafts and I'm Liv and this is Rŵan. And I thought since we can't be together in our building, we should still be able to make some really cool things together. And I will help you step by step, keeping to our recycling theme. We should have everything we need already in our homes, and if there's anything that I'm using that you haven't got, then you can just improvise, and I can leave some suggestions for alternative things if I think of anything. I will leave written instructions in Welsh and in English in the section below, and you can leave me a comment if you're stuck on anything, and I'll help you as best as I can. Today we're gonna make toilet roll houses! Woo! When you finish, yours should look a little something like this. I had so much fun making these and I really hope that you do too. Step 1. For our roof, you need to cut out a rectangle from your cardboard box, similar to the size that you can see me doing, but remember to ask for help with the scissors if you need it. Step 2. Paint and decorate everything. This will probably need a couple of coats, so really take your time and wait for the paint to dry. Step 3. Draw the windows and doors to your house on the cardboard box and then cut them out, and any other things that you want to use to decorate your house. Step 4. Once everything's dried, stick on your windows and doors. This is best with PVA glue, but you can also use sellotape or double-sided tape if you don't... Hello, Rŵan. If you don't have anything to stick. Step 5. Fold your rectangular piece in half. This is going to be for your roof, and the roof should balance quite nicely on its own if you don't have any glue. Step 6. You have now completed your toilet roll house. Yay! Well done, everybody. Make sure you send us some pictures because me and Rŵan would love to see how you get on. Take lots of care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. You don't have to do a similar theme to mine. You can make a rocket or a space themed one or a castle. You can base it on somewhere that you've been before or something completely made up, but the little details that you add really make it special, like I've put Rŵan on mine, so bonus points if you put Rŵan on yours.